In this video, I'll show you how to download a ledger in Zoho Books in just a few simple steps. Whether you need it for your business records or personal tracking, this process is quick and easy to follow. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account and heading to the Reports module from the left sidebar. This section gives you access to all your financial reports and insights. Once you're in, scroll down to the account category and select General Ledger. Now set the date range for your ledger. You can pick a custom range or choose from the predefined options like this month, last month, or the current fiscal year. Setting the right period ensures that your report includes all the relevant transactions. Next, click Run Report to generate your ledger. Zoho Books will compile all transactions from the selected period into a detailed financial summary. Once your report appears, it's time to download it. Click the Export drop-down menu at the top and choose your preferred file format: CSV, XLS, or XLSX. Select the one that best fits your needs, and your ledger will be downloaded instantly to your device. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your general ledger in Zoho Books. Keeping your ledger updated is key to managing your finances efficiently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more Zoho Books tutorials,